Say something to me, Mary. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
I just want you. I'm gonna test this mic out.
Oh, okay. Well, in light of all the complications we had, do you think we should reevaluate the vlog or not to vlog thing?
Hey, we got hundreds of minutes of sound tests we could show.
Hey, I mean, really, this. Okay. Watch and maybe not learn. Oh yeah, you could learn what not to do.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We really know what we're doing.
I mean, this is just, we had to really, we had to script this for a long time.
If you really want to, which way does this go?
This is another. I'm just talking in a normal voice, right?
That's good. One more time.
Okay, one more time. I'm going to talk to you one more time, and that's all.
Okay.
Never
And then I'm going out to my gazebo. Thank you. All right. I said I wouldn't have you say anything again, but I don't think the mic was plugged in correctly before.
Now I can say something? This is without the mic in. So.
Without Mikey?
Yeah. Oh. I hear a little thingy when I talk.
That's my hearing aids.
Oh. The mic is stuck to me, and it moves, so it might be making some weird noises when you record it.
Is that videoing?
I don't know. I think so. Yeah.
If you move this, that doesn't change, or does it? Oh man, why didn't you comb your hair before you? Okay, Mary.
Okay. All right, so now the mic is taped to the taped to the whatever that thing is. What's that called? Gimble?
But it's not plugged in.
Oh no. We're just testing to see if people can read lips.
Well, what we're trying to do. Okay, Mary, you can put that crazy sign away.
I like it.
Okay, this is the gimbal we have.
This, for your information, those people that
Pick it up and turn it around so they can show. It's supposed to make things level. And what we're trying to do is set it down, Mary, and plug that plug in.
John, why are you doing that? What plug? This plug? Oh. Okay, that's it.
No.
Ground control. Huh? What? Anyway.
No,
seriously. Oh, into the phone.
Into a video
Why
camera.
isn't it behaving?
That's what we were trying to do.
Okay, well.
No, the other end, Mary.
Oh,
Your other left.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a learning curve here.
Okay.
Well, you got to turn this thing on, and then it goes.
Oh, wait. But then we have to plug it into this one to see if it works. Okay. Oh, well. This is why
here's a teeny tiny little mic.
And then you can move those things. Here, push those buttons and make the gimbal move.
Okay. Push the buttons?
Yeah.
How come it... That one? That one.
Mary, do you think you could video of me?
Yeah, I think I better.
No, with that one.
Oh. Well, John, how come it's not doing its thing? This is terrible. Come on, behave.
No.
Works now.
It's not working.
Okay. I think...
Okay, Mary, what you got to do is see right here.
Yeah.
Hit the camera.
Camera.
Okay.
All right.
Pick your gimbal up.
Yeah. We're gonna have a nice...
And you got to hold this button. Oh, the battery's already died. And then hold that button so that'll.
Which button?
See, the other thing is because it dies so quick. I have this USB connector.
Yeah.
To connect to that. No, hold this down. Oh, that is. How come it's not going?
That's what I'm wondering.
Why is that not? Make that. Okay.
If you
Are you
plastered
videoing?
yourself, no.
Okay, do video.
And then,
hit that red button.
okay, red button. Oh, this button? Now
Yeah.
it's.
Are you videoing?
Yeah. If you go.
Okay, now
hang out on
use. See right here. Then this should make it go up and down. Whoa.
There
Okay.
is
Makes it
nothing-
turn ways. Why is it not turning that way?
I know.
Okay, now turn it at me. No. Ah, shoot. Why is it? Man, we should just use the
Let's not.
Bing cameras.
Let's not put this one.
Oh,
Okay, Mitch, so why do you think a gimbal's not such a good idea for us old folks or
Okay.
anybody?
So gimbal, you got to get the phone, then you got to get the gimbal, and you got to make sure the gimbal's charged. That's the hardest part. But after that, you got to put the phone in the gimbal, hit the little button, it goes whoop. Then you got to plug in the power, plug in the sound, or grab your phone and you record. Problem solved.
Yeah. Wait,
Get what?
this is what we do. Oh, yeah, just do this, see? And use this camera. It's a whole lot simpler. Because look what I got to do here. Because it,
That is a thing. What is
that's the power in, so I don't have to take the camera off all the time and reset it.
Yeah.
And then I have this
Thing.
lapel mic,
Yeah.
and we put it down here as a sound test. Mary, why don't you change the sign and say watch and don't learn?
Watch and try to learn.
Because you know what?
Learn. No, watch and learn from our mistakes. Yeah, I think that'd be good. But there were no mistakes. This is all scripted and really,
Well,
I think.
you know what?
I don't know.
I think the gimbal's outdated, even though we've hardly ever used it.
I know this is
Because what
ancient.
happens is the newer cameras stabilize all the pictures all the time anyway.
Really?
And nobody's holding that anyway, so why do we need to stabilize? Oh, it makes a nice stand.
Right. Yeah. So I mean, really, there is some important information out there. Here.
No! With your
I don't
control.
There is no control on this thing.
What is this?
That's what I've been moving.
Okay, let's get
This
this
thing's
set again.
supposed to go bling. Oh, this could be way. Well,
There
okay,
it goes.
Got me.
Okay, now hit that. No.
What?
On the camera, you do me. You remember you.
Oh, you are you. You are you. Okay.
Okay,
You're-
I am me.
Okay, there you are. Okay.
Okay.
I can see you.
Now can you? Yeah, but you got. I remember on
You
this
know
thing, up is down and down is up.
I know, but you're kind of like.
Okay. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so it's going up. It's going down. It
And,
goes sideways.
and then my hand.
And then lift it up. See, the purpose is you can lift it up and hold it. Okay. And then it goes real smoothly.
Yeah, I'm touching the mic, so maybe
Okay.
this will be very annoying to those geeks. There is some important information out there. Here. I think we better just shut up. Shut up.
Can we do this over? I could comb my hair. What was that script?
What one? Script. Press
Shut the
that
thing
little
off.
button. Where is it?